Hi everyone. Today in this video we are exploring the amazing benefits of using ice cubes for face. Tomato ice cubes are a simple yet powerful natural remedy that can help brighten your complexion. To make tomato ice cubes, blend a few fresh tomatoes into a smooth puree. Pour the puree into an ice cube tray, freeze until solid. Tomato is rich in vitamin C. Tomatoes can help even out skin tone and give you a radiant glow. It soothes the irritated skin and reduce redness. The natural acidity of tomatoes acts as an astringent, helping to control oil and tighten pore. It also protects against premature aging and helps remove dead skin cells, leaving your skin smooth and refreshed. Take a tomato ice cube and wrap it in a thin cloth or apply directly to your face. Gently massage your face in circular motions, focusing on problem areas. Leave the juice on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Coffee ice cubes offer a refreshing and rejuvenating treatment that can help reduce puffiness, brighten your complexion, and give your skin a boost of antioxidants. Ideal for all skin types, especially tired and dull skin. Take 2 tablespoons of coffee powder. Add coffee powder to hot water. Stir it and let it cool completely. Pour the cooled coffee into an ice tray. Freeze until solid. The cold temperature combined with caffeine helps to constrict blood vessels, reducing swelling and puffiness around the eyes. Caffeine helps to improve blood circulation, giving your skin a healthy, radiant glow. Also, prevents signs of aging and fine lines and wrinkles. To use the coffee ice cube, wrap it in a thin cloth or apply directly to your face. Gently massage your face in circular motions, focusing on areas with puffiness or dullness. Leave the coffee residue on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Refresh your skin and give it a natural glow with this simple DIY skincare hack. Try it out and let us know your results in the comment below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.